Hey, good evening, everybody. What a day today. 76 degrees, so a little bit above where we were normally, and we're still dealing with some wind advisories. We've thrown in the Ventura County Mountains now. LA County Mountains and the Antelope Valley. You can see that through tomorrow morning. These are stronger onshore winds as the high pressure starts to move out slowly. Low pressure is going to move towards us. That'll be the mechanism that brings things back down. So another warm day tomorrow. A little bit better, though. The interior temperatures will come down, and that low pressure area eventually is going to retrograde, move back over the state as we get to the latter part of the weekend, and that should sock us in. Check out your 7-day. There it is. More clouds by the time we get to Friday into the weekend. Be very slow clearing by the beaches, but we basically get back to normal. The interior area is the warmest spot. That'll be the IE tomorrow. 90, 91 up into the high deserts. Mountains coming in at 81. We'll see you tonight, 11 o'clock. Pat, myself, Jim Hill, all kinds of great stuff tonight. See you here.